Another day, another dole.
Masamba sisoma bone.
See?
Let's go.
Zonky.
Let's go.
Yeah. What's up, gang? It's day 2 right now. Man, I couldn't even sleep. I slept late because I was editing yesterday's video. So yeah, man. But like today we might do a lot of activities, you know. So we're gonna have a lot of things to do.
What's up?
Yeah, man. You know, hi guys. I don't know if it's just me, but like when I'm on like a trip, man, I hardly sleep because like I feel like I'm wasting time, you know. But now, yeah, let's go catch this bread. Like, guys, not really sure what's happening here. I don't know. I don't know.
The fours, bro. I mean, the ones, bro. Because you're number 1.
That was so lame. That was so lame. I choose that one. Oh, anyway.
The J's.
He's saying the Air Forces, you're saying the J's.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Hey, once.
1 round.
Best of one.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, it's the ones it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Pool. Next thing he decides, he's gonna jump over the pool. Nothing. Nothing. Nah. Joe. Chad, I'm a choice, man. Don't dim his music. Couple of things.
Man, I mean like this. No ways.
Chicken, straight. Hey, man. This guy was supposed to jump from here. Ne. To there. Yeah, now he jumped from here. To moon. Chicken.
Look at this one.
Chicken. It's a chicken thing. Yeah, man. You have to overcome your obstacles. Kapa again.
So look at this view, guys. This is nice. Yeah, that's all. This is nice. Alright, can I just look at the camera bottle? Like, you're wasting our time, man.
Yeah, 3P is pussy and power. The most important one is the paper. You got that and you got all 3. If you don't get that, I'ma explain later. I hit man in the back of his head, man wanted a fade, I give him a taper. My girlfriend left me, I feel like Pep, cause I cannot replace her. Move mum to a spot that's safer, that's vital. When me and her walk in church, they act like I'm David from the Bible. Man, let that go on arrival. Like man just landed. If you heard I'm doing an X, I'm exporting a romantic expanding.
Hey, man, YouTube. Hello,
What's up, gang? Sibulelo Mlitwani, Lady Cass Wild. Shout out, dog. Shout out.
Yeah, Instagram, yeah.
I'm going to shout out that.
It's a shit. I'll catch.
Wait. This is the food eating contest we're talking about. We bought some KFC. We have 2 pieces of meat, coleslaw, some fries, mashed potatoes, and 6 slices of bread. Some coffee too, just to make things a little hotter. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hi.
Awusakhona nini kanjisho? Uwa. I'm good.
No, just
Coffee never slow her down. I'm telling me, Tiga. Go! Ah, what's your food eating contest? It's saying when you're on the time.
shut up. See, I got up. I tried, see that.
You slow her down, man. No best we can. We tolerable there. Keep with our own data.
So, how are you feeling now? What's here?
Ah.
Oh, I do this one. I really, I like you.
Yeah.
See, I'm not in here.
Yeah.
I'm keeping my gun for you to be zoom. Because I know so that I'm going to
Which one is this? You buy me share. Yeah. Let's go.
That's how it's done. That's how it's done.
Guys, after investigating, go push a plate it around. Brown. Ne? Boot. Bon. Ne? Bon. Hajahane masa. This is masapumu. Sheba. Sheba na mena. Bon. Ah, again.
No, I want to explain.
Naji number one. Naji win me.
Thing is,
Naji win me.
that's why. Say something. These guys are so losers. Now I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say. From Doizi. Guys, nothing. It is what it is. It is what it is.
You robbed us. You robbed us.
From Doizi.